And finally, the last question, which was 7F, which was about explain two possible reasons that Cornwall's earnings are only 79% of the national average. So some good information in the case study. A lot of people found some really good information, and they explained it pretty well. Just a couple of ones that I would encourage you to look at. Dependence on agriculture and tourism. I think that it mentioned in the case study that Cornwall has those industries being very big industries for Cornwall, and those industries are not very well paid. Those industries are sort of, I guess you could say, lower down the value chain than other industries in the UK, and so therefore the weekly wage in Cornwall is going to be lower. There is no finance or high value-added manufacturing located in Cornwall, and so therefore you're not going to have those highly paid jobs in that county, and so therefore it's going to have a lower average wage in the rest of the country. Poor links to the rest of the UK, as was mentioned in the case study, and the fact that it was shut down by a storm. So that means that maybe lots of businesses don't want to locate there, and if businesses aren't locating there, they're not going to be the incomes to be able to pay higher wages there. And also you could say that maybe it's a matter of regional inequality to say that actually, the top jobs are all in London. All the big finance and service jobs are all going to be in London, and so therefore London's going to pull up the average UK wage packet, and places like Cornwall, which are sort of located far away, are always going to have a lower percentage of that national average wage. We're looking to mark this. You're looking for a valid reason applied to the case study and some sort of explanation. Do that twice, and that's 6 marks. One thing that I would caution you against, certainly, is trying to say things like the fact that Cornwall is the poorest, like one of the poorest counties, and they've got like the 5, like in the bottom 5% measured in sort of poverty terms, and that's why they have low wages. Didn't really buy those arguments so much, because they're sort of both the same thing, really. You're saying that Cornwall's the poorest country, Cornwall's the poorest county in the UK, and that's why they have low wages. I think that these reasons probably explain both of those things, which is why I think that these reasons are probably better explanations.